In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this like outdoor kind of fire pit slash maybe grill, or it looks like you could even use it as like a tabletop of some sort, because here's all of the stuff that came with it right here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for y'all and show you exactly how to put this thing together. Here's a little set of instructions that came with mine, and it looks like all it is a fire pit ring, the fire bowl, and it looks like you get a large cooking grate and then a fire pit grate that I think goes down in the bottom. 3 legs to it and a little fire poker. Wow, they give you a little fire poker. There it is. I see the little guy down there. Let me go ahead, take it out of the box here, lay it all out, and then we'll go ahead and start putting this thing together. We'll see how hard it is or how easy it is. So let's do that now. All of the legs and the grates all zip tied together. Wow, you get the white glove treatment. How cute is that? Little set of tool. It looks like you get a Phillips head screwdriver and a small little wrench. And once again, a lot of little nuts and bolts. And this must be the bowl itself. The ring and the top. Oh, there's the little fire poker. Look at that, everybody. Nice little fire poker for poking around. Let me go ahead and lay this out and get rid of this box, and we'll come back and put it together. Okay, we got it all laid out here. So here's the legs that came on it. It looks like you've got 4 holes right here, and these legs are gonna go just like this, facing outward. So what you gotta do is run the bolts down through there and put the nuts on the inside right there. So let me go ahead, put the legs on, then we'll come back and we'll check it out. Okay, so what I did first is I went ahead and put the legs on, and that's what it had to do. It had the bolts facing down on the bottom like that, and there it is. That's how it sits there like that. Now you're gonna get your ring. Now these have inserts built in apparently, so you're gonna line up, see these holes right here? You're gonna line up with each one of those holes. Then you're just gonna take the remaining screws right here, and these screws are going to go up and screw directly into there. So let me get the screwdriver and go ahead and do that. So far this thing was very easy to assemble, everybody. And then the handle screws in directly through the top of the lid, just like that. Phillips head screwdriver again on the back side, and this is the grate that's going to go down in the bottom, and this is the grill top that goes just like that. We have the grill, so everything is ready. And there's a little bit, there's like a breather hole right here to add a little more kind of like air to the inside, and then it has this cage on the outside that seems to add air. But see how to lift your wood and all that up there like that, and then you look at this is going to go perfectly right in there. And then when not in use, you put that in there. So yeah, we are ready. Let me go ahead, I'll get some wood, we'll build a little fire in here, and we'll check this thing out. And I might even fry up something, I don't know. But first off, we'll use it as just kind of like a fire pit, and we'll go from there. I went ahead and put a little bit of wood in there. You can see how nicely this thing's cooking up. This right here has a little bit of ventilation, so it's pulling air from the bottom and the top. And look how nice that is. Now see, I have a fire pit right over here that's set up but I burn a lot of like plastics and stuff like that, so I don't like cooking out of that thing. So this is exactly what I got this for. I wanted something that was a little more portable, that also had a grate to it like that. Let's drop that on there. You see how that grate on there? Now see, I'd be able to fry up some ribs or hamburgers or anything like that out of this thing. And then when you're done with it and you just want to close it up, you can just put it like that. Once you put it out, I probably wouldn't put it on there with the with it still burning. I'd pour water on it and get it. But from what I can tell, this thing works extremely well. So you can use a little fire poker. This works great. I like the fact that they give you a little poker with it. I wish there was a little hanger somewhere for it, but right now I'm just going to put it right there. Everybody, I don't see any issues with all. I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants a nice portable outdoor fire pit that you can even stay on you could put this on your patio, on your front porch, or do like me. I have my little kind of backyard camping site set up here, and then I'm going to use this because I like using this over my big fire pit because I just think it looks a lot cooler. And you know what, we can fry some marshmallows and do whatever over top of it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the portable outdoor fire pit slash grill. See y'all in the next video.